Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds LG TONE Free support wireless charging? And in front of me I have wireless charging station. If we put these earbuds at the wireless charging station, we see the LED light at the wireless charging station, but the most important that we see it at the charging case. Right here on the front side we have it, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Also, we can use a reverse wireless charging. If your phone supports this technology, you need to open settings and enable it in the settings. You need to write battery share, then search, and we can enable it here. After that, we can put these earbuds on your phone, and right here we have the same LED light, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.